Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Iwi dukan caw ema pchem ke Jowai Civil Hospital yelong. De ini ne jan med hai por kama prau je ra. Hei dawas dang ini ding putip. Wada suba to nei dawa pedung tedong LPG. Wai hai por je ini idukan mani iwakang. Jai ding the one wotong plate de keri template ding. Da putip cocok cepi kadang yok kubor.
Hả? Thấy điều yên lòng thấy xuống nghe mà tặng nó mà tỉnh không được lại tay mà lại để yên tay mà vô không chúng ta sẽ yên đi mà yên đi mà